navigating the ethical and legal maze of deception in business transactions, striking a balance between profit and integrity. In the realm of business, the pursuit of profit often intertwines with ethical considerations and legal boundaries. One such dilemma arises when companies contemplate employing deception as a means to boost sales. While the allure of increased revenue may be tempting, it is imperative to delve into the legal and ethical implications of such practices. Legal quandaries, treading the fine line between deception and fraud. The legal landscape surrounding deception in business is intricate and varies across jurisdictions. In certain instances, deceptive practices may constitute fraud, a criminal offense with severe consequences. Fraud typically involves intentional misrepresentation or concealment of material facts, with the intent to deceive and harm the victim. Establishing the presence of fraud requires careful examination of several elements. First, the deception must be intentional, meaning the company had knowledge of the misleading information and deliberately chose to disseminate it. Second, the deception must be material, meaning it is likely to influence the consumer's decision-making process. Finally, the deception must cause actual harm to the consumer, such as financial loss or physical injury. Ethical crossroads, weighing the potential benefits and detriments of deception. Beyond the legal implications, deception in business raises ethical concerns that demand careful consideration. The decision to engage in deceptive practices hinges on a complex interplay of factors, including the intent of the deceiver, the potential harm to the consumer, and the broader social impact of the deception. Generally, deception is deemed unethical when it is intentional, likely to cause significant harm to the consumer, and lacks any discernible social benefit. However, there may be exceptional circumstances where deception is deemed ethically justifiable, such as when it is employed to protect vulnerable individuals or prevent greater harm. Striving for ethical and legal compliance, a path to sustainable success. Navigating the legal and ethical complexities of deception in business requires a commitment to transparency, honesty, and integrity. Companies that prioritize ethical conduct and legal compliance reap numerous benefits, including enhanced reputation, increased consumer trust, and long-term sustainability. By adhering to ethical principles and complying with legal requirements, businesses can avoid the pitfalls of deception and build a foundation of trust with their customers. This, in turn, fosters loyalty, repeat business, and positive word of mouth, ultimately contributing to the company's long-term success and profitability. In conclusion, the question of whether deception is ever justified in business is a multifaceted one with no easy answers. The legal and ethical implications of deceptive practices are complex and vary depending on the specific circumstances. However, by embracing ethical conduct and legal compliance, businesses can navigate these challenges and build a sustainable foundation for success.